and this video will show you how to withdraw money from your Pocket Option account. First of all, you need to log into your account. Then you need to click the Finance in the left-hand side menu and go to Withdrawal, or just click your profile icon in the top right corner and select Withdrawal. And from this page, you can withdraw your money from the Pocket Option. As you can see, the minimum withdrawal amount is $10, but there is important information. Withdrawal process becomes available after you deposit on your account. Typically, a withdrawal request is proceed automatically and takes few minutes, and in some cases up to 3 business days. So after you successfully deposit money to your Pocket Option account, then you will be able to withdraw. And if your account is ready to withdraw money, you need to choose the payment method. There are several payment methods, but I suggest you to use bank transfer, which is quite simple. You just need to provide your bank account information, your personal details, phone and personal address. Click continue and withdraw money to your bank account. Another method is cryptocurrency. In this case, for example, Bitcoin, which is quite simple. You can send Bitcoin from Pocket Option to any crypto wallet. For example, you can send to Coinbase. For example, you can send to Binance. Even if you have got Bitcoin wallet address on your Cash App account, you can send your Bitcoin to your Cash App account. So I suggest you to use these two options. You just need to take your BTC Bitcoin wallet address, just paste it right here, enter the amount of money you want to withdraw. As you can see, minimum is $10, and click the continue button, finalize the transaction, and in few minutes, as usual, you will receive your money. That's all I wanted to show you. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.